Hi, Shannon here with Trillium Living. I wanted to take a minute and show you my aloe vera plant. I have a damaged leaf here and I wanted to show you how to harvest some of the gel out of the leaf and how to remove a damaged leaf. When I bought this about 3 months ago, it had a little bruise on it, and I think it just happened when maybe it was in transit from the greenhouse to the retail store. But it's gotten bigger and I want to just go ahead and remove it. But aloe vera gel is actually very useful if you have burns or like a sunburn. So it does have a very good medicinal property. So it's very easy to harvest. All you do, you can just cut like a portion of the leaf. I'm just using some kitchen shears here. You just trim it, and you can see when I trim that gel is just gonna ooze right out of the leaf there. And you can actually just rub it right on your skin, right on a burn, right on a sunburn, and it will actually help. So another thing you can do, you can cut a whole leaf or just a portion like this. You can slice this leaf open and scrape out the gel. You can put it in a little glass food storage container, and it'll keep in your refrigerator for about a week, so you can keep reapplying to all your burns. But since this leaf has a little bit of a spot there, I just want to go ahead and take it off. So the way to do that properly is just to take a knife, and I'm going to go right down as close to the base as I can. Let me get that knife in there and just slice it. You can't hurt it. I think I felt it come right off there. And since this is healthy, I could go ahead and use that too, just clean off the soil there. And it's good to go. And you can see that my plant looks so much better and healthier. It's growing. I've gotten a few new leaves since I've purchased it. It looks great. Aloe vera is one of the easiest succulents to grow. I will put links for care tips. The one word of caution I would note is that although the gel is safe, there are properties in the leaves that make it toxic to pets and children. So if you have curious pets that nibble on plants, it may not be the best plant to have in your home. But otherwise, it is a very useful plant. Thank you so much for watching. We so appreciate it.